Welcome to Better Payment Tutorial. Today we will learn how to create a sleek payment form for your WooCommerce products using Better Payment. Make sure you have Better Payment Free and Pro version along with Elementor on your website. You should also set up an online store in WooCommerce. Open a page where you want to add the payment form. Search for the Better Payment widget on the left, then drag and drop it onto the page. We will select Layout 2 for configuring a single product form. Select WooCommerce as the payment source. From the Choose a Product option, select your desired product and the price will be added to the payment form. Select Layout 6 as it is dedicatedly designed for managing WooCommerce product payments and can be used for multiple product payments. From the Select Products section, add the desired products by typing the product titles. You can enable or disable the payment in the form by toggling the buttons of each payment system: PayPal, Stripe and more, and set the currency of the payment form. Go to the Style tab to customize the form's appearance, including content colors, fonts, and layout. You can change the form sidebar style, background type, and color, also in the form button style and the background color. From the Advanced tab, adjust your margin metrics to change the layout, and toggle motion effects like scrolling to add them to your payment form. Scroll down and select an entrance animation option. Click on Update and view it to see the changes you made in the payment form appearance. You've created a payment form for your WooCommerce products. Let's see how the payment form will appear to the customer. Now customers can select the quantity of each item, fill in information, select a payment option shown and hit the Proceed to Payment button. After that, a secured form will appear to collect your card and billing information, fill up the required information and hit Pay. And with that, the payment transaction will be completed. That's how you create a sleek payment form for your WooCommerce products using Better Payment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.